Right, so we're back out on the streets of Pefkohori. Pefkohori they should call it tonight, because it is quite a chilly evening. Looking for an ice cream parlour, if there's one open, because it's so quiet. Hopefully we can find some ice cream. Literally silent down here, isn't it?
There's not a car or anything.
I can see some signs of life up there.
Real estate places are different.
Things in Greece tend to shut a lot later than in Western Europe, so a lot of things open.
I can't see a single person. They move so loud. It reminds me of you know, in
Albania, yeah. Oh, I found an ice cream parlour and the crepe place, yeah. So the quest for ice cream has been successful. Gonna get a crepe like Albania deja vu.
Yeah, but I think it's got strawberries.
There's a filet.
Hello.
You can it there? Hello. Fare sto filimo.
Nice camera.
Hey, fare sto.
GoPro.
It's called a DJI. I'm making a video for YouTube. Yeah.
Understood.
I already know what I want.
Posso Elene?
Dimitri.
Dimitri, Jack, Harika.
Where are you from?
England.
England.
Ligo Elinika, Yayamu Elinika, Kipro.
Cypriot.
Ne.
Good.
Right, let's pick
Which
some
place
ice cream.
from England?
Near London, 1 hour drive from London. Yeah, not too far.
Okay. What do you got?
Strawberry.
Yogurt, maybe stracciatella, maybe strawberry.
And yogurt sour cherry, kai fig parakalo.
Okay.
Yogurt sour cherry and fig. See what this is like. Ευχαριστώ.
Παρακαλώ.
Okay, so this is fig flavoured ice cream in HALKIDIKI. Yeah, really different.
Different? Good different?
It's nice, really different. I've never had fig flavoured ice cream before.
No.
That's nice.
You like fig though, don't you?
Yeah, I love fig. You want to try?
No, I'm good, thank you.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, try the other one as well.
It's definitely fig.
Try the other one.
Okay. So now we've got the yogurt and sour cherry. Yum.
Very different flavours, you know. Not your standard tutti frutti.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Is it?
Bolioria. I wanted to try, like, get some different flavours that you don't get back home.
Yeah.
Uncommon flavours, isn't it? Fig and sour cherry ice cream.
Yeah.
You wouldn't really get that at home, would you?
Yeah, no.
Back in England.
I've also gone for something really, really different that you can't get back in England. It's a crepe with Nutella and strawberries. So yeah, very, very unique. Here it comes. Oh my god, it's so big. It looks great.
That looks good.
Yeah. Right, let me try it. I love crepes. They are my favourite dessert. Ooh. Delicious.
Demetri, what is the name of this place?
Of the shop?
Crescendo.
Crescendo. Yes.
This ice cream here in Crescendo is amazing. This big ice cream. So here it is. And are you the owner, Demetri?
Yes, I'm the owner.
So this is the owner, Demetri.
Hello.
So if you're in HALKIDIKI in Pefkohori, make sure you visit Crescendo for the best ice cream. Yamas. Demetri, solo yaras mo parakalo.
In a moment. You have a few minutes.
That's it.
What you like to drink from me?
Ah, faristo. What would you like, yeah?
Whatever you like. Maybe a beer, maybe a juice, and that's what you want.
Ένα πυρά παρακαλώ.
You want the Greek one or Amsterdam family?
Ελληνικά, αλφα.
Okay.
Ευχαριστώ.
Hello. And for you?
Can I have chocolate milk, please?
Of course. You need the glass or not?
Ευχαριστώ.
Yes. Ένα ποτήρι για μπύρα μπορείς να μου δώσετε όλοι. Can I take this?
Of course. Typical Greek hospitality.
Just a minute. And for you, glass?
I imagine here though, in Pefkohori, I bet it's really busy in the summer, isn't it? Many English people, or more
Lots of
from
kind,
Europe.
Lots of kind. From all Europe.
Balkans, Serbia, please.
Balkans, yes, most of them.
Yeah,
English, Germans,
Germans, yeah.
a few Swedish.
Sweet, yeah, Northern Europeans, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, no, they are looking for the sun.
Yeah. It's a beautiful place, Polioriak.
It's very nice. It could be better, but it's good.
The beach is really nice.
The beach is for, the best in the Greece, you must know that.
Yeah, yeah, definitely best mainland, isn't
In
it?
the whole HALKIDIKI, very good pieces.
Yeah.
Not just here.
Από πού είσαι, Halkidiki or Thessaloniki?
Thessaloniki.
Thessaloniki. Yeah. We've just come from Thessaloniki.
Yeah, but many years here with home and something.
Oh,
like
you live
from a
here?
kid. Is many, with all the summers from age 16 almost, I was here.
You can't fault Greek hospitality. Beer and a chocolate milk on the house. Courtesy of lovely Demetri over there. Yamas.
It's like you pay my offer. You give me tip the next time you come, okay?
Oh, no. You
Have a
keep,
nice-
you keep. For you. Ευχαριστώ πολύ. I wish your business great success.
You too.
Yeah,
You too. And
ευχαριστώ
your
πολύ,
travels.
φίλε μου.
I will see them, you know. I will comment.
Ευχαριστώ πολύ, φίλε μου.
And I feel like I'm traveling with you.
Ναι, I hope so. I hope so.
Enjoy. Have a nice back trip to the England.
Ευχαριστώ πολύ.
Εγώ ευχαριστώ.
Ευχαριστώ. Να είσαι καλά, φίλε
Bye-bye.
μου.
Καλό βράδυ.
Καληνύχτα. 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 Γεια σου. Top G. What a nice bloke Demetrius.
Lovely.
Proper Greek hospitality that was, wasn't it? Couple of drinks on the house. Really nice guy.
I've been thinking of chocolate milkshake for days. My mum fulfilled my dreams. That was that coming out for in the cold, to be fair.
Yeah, it was. You never know who you're going to bump into, do you, in Greece?
He was the sweetest man.
Yeah, lovely bloke. So where we just were, Crescendo, it's open 24 hours, which is crazy. You can get burgers, pizza, waffles,
Hot dogs, crepes,
everything.
ice cream.
So I definitely recommend going there if you're in Pefkohori.
There's also one who's selling there. Where we just went.
He has one in Thessaloniki, doesn't he?
Yeah.
So he owns two shops. Really sad to be leaving Greece tomorrow. I'm already feeling sad to be leaving.
I know. We'll be back before you think.
Yeah. We're back in September, going to do a Cyclades Island trip, which I'm proper buzzing about. But I'm always sad to leave Greece.
Right.
Favourite place in the world. And we're back. Yeah, it's a beautiful pool, isn't it? And it's a beautiful hotel. Looks quite shallow. I'm going to get in tomorrow, I reckon.
0.80 meters. Yeah, it is shallow.
Yeah, it looks like it could stand up all the way across.
It's very cold.
Right guys, we're back at the hotel room after having a lovely evening. Had a really nice day here in Pefkohori. What are your first impressions of HALKIDIKI get?
I really enjoy it.
It's beautiful, isn't
It's
it?
nice, yeah.
It's the Greece you know and love, isn't it? Yeah.
People are great. The weather's been nice. Can't complain really.
Yeah, it's an amazing place. It's my first time in this region of Greece, HALKIDIKI, and I absolutely love it. I'll definitely come back in the future. It's a really nice place here. The beaches are insane.
We had the whole beach to ourselves earlier, which
Yeah.
was really nice. We both fell asleep in the sun, which was nice until we got woke up by this old man. What was he using? A leaf blower.
He was just tidying up for the season kit, wasn't he? Yeah. But yeah, we've both had a lovely day. Had some amazing Greek food, met some lovely locals, chilled out in the sun. It's what being in Greece is all about, isn't it? So I'm just going to give you guys one last view of the pool and then go sign off for the night. Unless you got any final words, Kit.
Good night.
We're in Greece, it's Kalinikta.
Sorry. Kalinikta.
Kalinikta, yasas. Right,
Yasu.
let's show you guys if I can get these curtains open. One last look at the pool. Kalinikta, guys. Yasas.